Raging state.
Oh, you gotta go left.
Yeah. It's not all this steep, is it? Jesus.
It's pretty sustained.
I have my chest protector, so I can get out of that way.
That's pretty fun.
Whew. I'll turn on the camera for a little bit so they can see me struggle. Holy cow. Oh, you spun out?
Yep.
That is absolutely beautiful. All right.
You guys good?
Oh yeah.
What? Do you have a dirt jumper? No.
Yes, you go first. That's his bike, approximately.
I am going to.
All right, Bobby. I got to get down with no flats today. Every time I damn well go, I get a flat. It's ridiculous. I got one at Tiger's last time and it was getting dark. But holy shit. I was not ready for that. Yeah, it's a little crash, bud. You having fun? Woo! Oh my God. That is beautiful. Oh, that was a hell of a spill up there.
You are muddy.
Yeah, no, I went face first into the mud.
You okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, you are bleeding a lot on your knee.
Yeah.
Yeah, I whacked a rock, I think.
Ooh, buddy.
Got it?
There you go.
All right, cool, bro.
Says
All right. Dropping.
I almost fell into the ditch.
Just have fun, bud. You don't have to go fast, okay?
I know.
Oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh. Get on the outside here, inside here. Okay. All right. Outside right here. Whoa, nice. It's stuff like this that makes me realize my skill level very quickly, and I'm not ashamed to admit that my son is far better of a rider than I am currently. I wish I could keep up with him to get some cool follow footage through here. Oh my God, that was rough. And this is steep and breaking bumps. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, got a bug in my eye. That sucks.
Corner that was real gnarly, like rocky, and then it got dusty. Crosby took the corner with both feet out like this, pumping the fork.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
You guys can go.
Oh my God, this is so much fun.
Go ahead and get him, bud. You can keep up with him. I'll be back here, okay? That's fun. Nice. These guys are killing it, man. Nice, Jake. You okay, Jake? Yeah. All right. Oh, I like this trail. Nice jump. Hey, way to get around that hole, bud. That was pretty awesome. Oh, nice holes. Okay, I leaned into that one a little bit. That was fun. So I very much enjoyed those two bottom balloons. I crashed at the top going around that corner. Got me all shook up.
That was so much fun. We should go here more often.
Yeah? Okay, well, I think I need knee pads.
Yeah.